Oh, no, bro, it's not done. Are you guys ready? Bro, delete this. What are you making? It looks bad. You guys cannot build, bro. Joe can't build. Why would Joe's a noob at this game? He has nothing, bro. Bro, I'm rich. Look, I have cannons, bro. Like, Joe, what is this? No, let's build our rooms, bro. Yeah, let's build Michael. Build your own area. This is my area. Get out, bro. Mine. Like, okay, bro. Thank you, bro. I'm driving, not you. Okay. Uh, make it strong. Bro, what are you guys doing? This is my area. Joe's good at the game, right, Joe? Bro, what are you guys doing? Bro, you guys, dun. No, I'm not even close to your side. Look, I'm adding balloons, bro. I'm adding balloons, bro. Bro, can you guys be quiet, bro? I'm talking about like, never mind, bro. You guys can talk, bro. Oh, you guys can add a chair and go. My room is gonna. I'm gonna make sure it's armored up, bud. Let me cover this up. Bro, mine looks yo. I don't know what this is, but I'm just trying to make it look good, bro. Protect it with armor, bro. No! Stop touching it, Joe! You keep clicking on it. Michael, that's you. Every time it goes off, you actually keep clicking it, bro. So I'm gonna have something cool for you guys, okay? You got free stuff? Guys, yo, we are lagging, bro, this server, bro. Everybody left because we're lagging. No, people are still here. Are you guys ready to go? Do you guys have chairs?
Roblox is actually so dumb.